If you have installed the ggplot2 package, you can use the package to create data visualizations. If you are not sure whether or not you have installed ggplot2 package, you can find out on the console. This statement will return true if the ggplot2 package is part of the installed packages in R. True is returned because ggplot2 is already installed. If false is returned, that means you are yet to install the ggplot2 package. If you are connected to the internet and you call the install.packages function with the string ggplot2 passed as argument to the function call, you will install the package ggplot2. Because the ggplot2 package belongs to a family of packages called tidyverse, if you pass the string tidyverse to the same function call, you will install all the packages that belong to the tidyverse family, and that will include ggplot2. You only have to install a package once, and you can use that package in any R session you create. Because I have already installed the ggplot2 package, I will not install it again. But you can always use this command to find out if you have installed the ggplot2 package. In addition, if you want to find out if you have installed the tidyverse family of packages, you will use this command. This command will find out if tidyverse is in the installed packages. Note that this is installed.packages and no argument have been supplied. When you want to install a package, you will use install.packages and supply the name of the package you want to install as string to the install.packages function. You only have to install a package once in R. To use the package in an R session you create, you will have to load the package to the R session. You will call the library function to load a package. When you call the library function, you will specify the package or packages that you want to load. For example, to load the ggplot2 package, you will pass the argument ggplot2 to the library function. Note that this time it is not a string. The ggplot2 package is now loaded to the current R session. You can now use the ggplot2 package to create data visualization in the current R session. If you create another R session and you need to use the ggplot2 package to create data visualizations in that session, you will have to load the ggplot2 package to that session. You can get information on a session on the console. Call the session info function. The result will give you information on the version of R you are using, the platform you are running, the operating system, and information on the attached packages in that session. For example, ggplot2 is attached to this session of R, and the version of ggplot2 attached to this session is 3.2.1. This session info could be important in reproducing your analysis.